To uninstall TeamViewer, first open a terminal and run the dpkg-l command. This lists all installed Debian packages on your system. To narrow it down, we'll use the grep command to search for TeamViewer in the list. Here is the name of the TeamViewer package installed on this computer. First, we need to uninstall it using the apt-purge command to remove the package along with its configuration files. Once the package is removed, use the apt autoremove command to clean up any leftover dependencies that are no longer needed. And finally navigate to the .config folder in your home directory and delete the TeamViewer folder to remove any remaining user data. If you want to learn more about Ubuntu package management, check out our tutorials on apt, snap, and flatpak. These are the three main package managers available for Ubuntu. If you use Ubuntu as your primary operating system, it's important to be familiar with them.